Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. We debuted our Beelieve line. It is one of the newest members to our family, and we continue to add to it because you absolutely love it. If you have never seen Beelieve before, well, buckle up because it is spectacular. We did a beautiful crock. What's nice about this is, yes, it comes with utensils, but you can also use this for so many other things. But let's talk about that pattern. First and foremost, you have that honeycomb detail that runs all the way around the stoneware. Because we use these great glass glazes, that's what brings that pattern to life. We adorn the bee. He floats all the way around the rim here, and look at how beautiful that silhouette is there with that gorgeous opening. We also included 5 of your most used utensils. So we have that slotted spoon with, of course, that gorgeous bee detail on the handle, front and back. Your regular serving spoon, your spatula, love that, your meat fork, and of course, last but not least, we also, my favorite, included your pasta fork, which we love. All of these pieces can go either in this way or this way, depending on how you'd like to display it, but it is absolutely beautiful. When we talk about countertop, when we talk about pops of colors, you can get it in the taupe, or you can get it in the buttercream, $29.95 over at Temptations.com. It is exclusive there, and here's the best part. The entire Beelieve collection is available on 25% off. So if you've never seen Beelieve before, come check it out. If you've already been picking up pieces and want to continue to add to your collection, what better way than to do that with 25% off? And the story of the bee is truly just that. It is about the bumblebee having a chubbier belly, never really supposed to be able to fly, but because of that vortex that the wings create, he gets up, up, up and away, and truly that is what the message is in Beelieve. It's believing that things are great, things will work out, things are always going to be just as special and magical as we make them. There's a cute little romance card that'll be tucked in each box that'll tell you the story of the bee and why this was such a huge inspiration for me. So hopefully you've been enjoying your Beelieve collection and you're believing in yourself, and all that's good. Head on over to Temptations.com. This is exclusive there. Check it out, and our entire Beelieve collection on 25% off, but only for a limited time. Bye.